Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of finance with our video on the 15 rules of how money works. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to brush up on your money management skills, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper. First, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more interesting content. Let's get started. Number 1. Never spend money before you earn it. Picture your income as a garden, patiently waiting for the seeds of your hard work to blossom into financial fruits. This rule whispers wisdom about the importance of patience and prudence. It's like a friendly reminder from a financial guru saying, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch." When you abide by this principle, you build a sturdy foundation for a secure financial future. Imagine your money as a loyal companion, earned through your efforts and deserving of thoughtful consideration. It's a bit like the idea that you wouldn't eat a cake before baking it. The joy comes from the process and patience. So, let this golden rule guide you through the intriguing labyrinth of how money works, teaching you the dance between earning and spending with a rhythm that leads to lasting financial harmony. Number 2. Money is a tool. Money is like a versatile tool in the grand workshop of life, and understanding the rules of how it works can be the key to mastering its craft. Imagine money as a reliable wrench or a skillful paintbrush. It's not the end goal, but rather the means to build the life you desire. Rule 1. Respect the tool. Treat your money with care, and it will serve you well. Rule 2. Learn to use it wisely. Just as a carpenter hones their skills, understanding budgeting, investing, and saving are skills that can shape your financial landscape. Rule 3. Share the tool. Whether through charity or supporting loved ones, the true value of money often lies in its ability to make positive changes in the lives of others. Remember, like any tool, money is most effective when used purposefully and with an understanding of its capabilities. Number 3. Don't chase money, instead be a money magnet. It's a subtle dance where the focus shifts from frantic pursuit to an irresistible allure. Imagine money as a curious friend, elusive when pursued but drawn to those with a magnetic charm. Instead of chasing the elusive paper trails, become a magnet that attracts financial opportunities effortlessly. The secret lies in cultivating skills, fostering relationships, and adding genuine value to the world. Picture yourself as a magnet, exuding positivity and expertise, effortlessly pulling in the currency of success. By understanding the subtle dance of supply and demand, you transform from a hunter to a magnet, effortlessly pulling wealth into your orbit. It's not just about money, it's about becoming a force that naturally attracts prosperity, making the rules of how money works a captivating and fulfilling game. Number 4. Budgeting is key. Think of your budget as a roadmap for your money journey. It's like having a game plan that helps you decide where each dollar should go. Rule number 1 in the interesting game of money is acknowledging that every penny has a purpose. Budgeting lets you assign jobs to your money, ensuring it's not wandering aimlessly. Just as a captain steers a ship, a budget guides your finances toward your goals. It's not about restricting yourself, but rather about steering clear of stormy financial waters. With a budget, you become the master of your money ship, directing it towards smooth seas of savings and investments. Remember, the rules of how money works aren't meant to be complicated, they're your compass, and budgeting is the key to keeping your financial ship on course. Number 5. Invest time before you invest money. Imagine this concept as a compass guiding you through the financial terrain. It's a reminder that success isn't just about pouring money into ventures, it's about understanding them first. Take a pause, delve into research, and let time be your ally. This rule is a beacon, emphasizing that informed decisions yield fruitful outcomes. It's like planting seeds before expecting a harvest. By investing time, you gain insights, spot potential pitfalls, and build a sturdy foundation. It's a bit like learning the dance steps before hitting the dance floor. Mastery comes with practice. So, in the grand symphony of wealth creation, remember, The melody of wise investments is composed with the notes of time, playing a tune that resonates with financial prosperity. Number 6. Emergency Fund. Picture it as a financial superhero, ready to swoop in when unexpected troubles knock on your door. This fund is like a safety net, a stash of cash set aside for life's curveballs, whether it's a sudden car repair, a surprise medical bill, or even a temporary job loss. Think of it as your financial guardian angel, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. The magic lies in its simplicity. Save a small portion of your income regularly, and over time, you'll build a buffer against financial storms. Following this rule means you won't need to resort to credit cards or loans in times of crisis, keeping you on a steady financial course. It's the unsung hero of financial planning, quietly waiting in the wings, ready to rescue you when life throws its unexpected challenges your way. Number 7. The more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge is your secret currency, and the more you accumulate, the richer your financial landscape becomes. It's like a magical equation where curiosity and education transform into prosperity. As you delve into the intricacies of how money functions, each nugget of understanding becomes a stepping stone to financial success. Learning becomes a dynamic investment, and the dividends are reaped in the form of increased earnings. It's not just about filling your mind with facts, it's about navigating the fascinating maze of economic principles. In this narrative, your brain is the treasure chest, and the keys to wealth lie in continuous learning. So, embrace the journey of discovery, for in the world of finances, the more you know, the more you grow financially. Number 8. Debt is a double-edged sword. In the intriguing realm of money rules, the concept of debt emerges as a double-edged sword, wielding both benefits and risks. On one side, debt can be a powerful tool, enabling individuals to make significant investments, like buying a home or starting a business, that might otherwise be out of reach. It's a financial booster shot, propelling dreams into reality. However, this financial ally comes with a warning label. If mishandled, debt can swiftly transform into a formidable adversary, leading to a cycle of repayments that feels like navigating a labyrinth. The key lies in mastering the art of balance, knowing when to harness debt's potential and when to avoid its pitfalls. Understanding the rules of this financial dance is crucial, as it determines whether debt becomes a stepping stone or a stumbling block in the journey towards financial success. It's a delicate equilibrium where wisdom and caution guide the way, revealing that in the dance of money, debt is a partner that demands respect and careful choreography. Number 9. Never be a slave to money, become the master. This sage advice urges us to transcend the shackles of financial dependency and take command of our monetary destinies. It's a call to resist the allure of becoming subservient to wealth and instead to wield it as a tool for empowerment. When we grasp the intricacies of how money operates, we gain the wisdom to navigate its currents. Being the master means understanding the art of earning, saving, and investing wisely. It's about making money work for us, rather than toiling endlessly for it. By internalizing these rules, we embark on a journey towards financial autonomy, breaking free from the chains that bind us to mere economic survival. So, let's embrace the wisdom that unfolds in the rules, ensuring that money becomes our ally, not our ruler. Number 10. Diversify your investments. Imagine your money as a team of skilled players on a soccer field. If you put all your players in one position, your game plan becomes riskier. Similarly, if you invest all your money in just one type of asset, like stocks or real estate, you're putting your financial game at risk. Diversifying is like having players in different positions, making your financial strategy more robust. It means spreading your money across various investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one area takes a hit, your whole team doesn't crumble. Diversification helps cushion the impact of market changes, making your financial game plan resilient and ready for whatever the financial field throws your way. So, remember, in the captivating saga of money rules, diversification is your strategic power play. Number 11, understand risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is a crucial rule in the fascinating world of how money works. Picture it like a personal finance compass, guiding you through the financial terrain. Risk tolerance is how comfortable you are with the ups and downs of investments, like a roller coaster ride for your money. Think about it. Are you more of a thrill seeker or someone who prefers a scenic route? Knowing your risk tolerance helps you choose investments that match your comfort level, like finding the right pair of shoes for a long walk. It's like being your own financial tailor, customizing your money strategy to fit just right. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in finance. So, take a moment, reflect on your money personality, and embrace the adventure of understanding your risk tolerance in the captivating journey of mastering the rules of how money works. Number 12, live below your means. Picture your income as a cozy blanket and your expenses as the chilly wind. The trick is to keep the blanket larger. Living below yours means spending less than you earn, creating a snug financial cushion. It's not about deprivation, but smart choices. Imagine your income as a superhero and your expenses as the sidekick. Let the superhero shine. By embracing this rule, you're not just saving money, you're building a superhero-worthy fortress against financial storms. It's like having a secret weapon that makes your money go further, allowing you to conquer unexpected villains like emergencies or future dreams. So, in the grand saga of financial wisdom, remember living below your means is your superhero cape, ensuring you're not just chasing money, but leading it with finesse. Number 13, learn continuously. Imagine money as a dynamic river, ever flowing and evolving. To navigate its currents, one must be a perpetual student, eager to absorb the wisdom that financial waters offer. Continuous learning isn't a one-time sprint, but a marathon of knowledge, where understanding the ebb and flow of markets, investments, and economic trends becomes your compass. Embrace the thrill of discovery, as each lesson learned is a stepping stone toward financial mastery. Stay curious, explore the nuances of budgeting, saving, and investing. Like a well-tended garden, your financial knowledge grows with each seed of wisdom planted. So, let learn continuously be your mantra in the fascinating journey of unraveling the secrets of how money truly works. Number 14, protect your assets. Picture your assets as a fortress, and guarding them is the key to financial success. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door wide open, you shouldn't leave your hard-earned money vulnerable to risks. This rule is the unsung hero in the melody of financial stability. It means making smart choices, like diversifying investments and having a safety net for rainy days. Think of it as putting a sturdy lock on your financial doors. When you protect your assets, you're playing defense in the game of wealth. So, embrace this rule, fortify your financial castle, and watch as your money not only works for you, but stays safe and sound in the process. Number 15, give back. Our final and most important point of this video is giving back. It's like this beautiful dance where you've been given a partner, and instead of just enjoying the rhythm for yourself, you share the steps with others. Giving back is the secret ingredient that makes the money tango meaningful. It's not just about stacking up coins, it's about creating a ripple effect of kindness. Imagine money as a boomerang. The more you throw it out with generosity, the more likely it is to come back to you, bringing along new friends in the form of opportunities and fulfillment. It's a reminder that the wealth of the heart often outshines the weight of the wallet. So, in this grand financial waltz, don't forget to spin around and share the joy. Because when you give, you're not just following the rules, you're adding your unique melody to the symphony of abundance. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay financially savvy.